Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Shriji Skyrise by Shriji Sharan Group of Companies located in Kandivali West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the tower. The construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. You can see the project is located right opposite Fire Brigade Station. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, internal and external amenities, carpet area, floor plan and unit plan, also parking, possession, maintenance, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housing is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housing. And now we are standing at the actual lobby of the project. You can see this over here is the actual lobby. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.75 acres that will have one tower of 2 basement plus ground plus 10 level of podium plus 11th and 12th floor for amenities plus 45 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on SV Road right opposite Fire Brigade Station, Kandivali West, from where Kandivali Railway Station is only at a distance of 300 meters, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 2.8 kilometers, Kandivali Metro Station is at a distance of 2.3 kilometers. Also, you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, before getting into the amenities, I would like to tell you that we are standing at the indoor games room of the project. You can see this over here is your indoor games room. And now, talking about the amenities, in internal amenities, you will be getting vitrified tiles, granite kitchen platform, stainless steel sink and much more. And talking about the external amenities, you will be getting 30 plus amenities within the project that will have infinity swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the parking part, this project has basement and podium level of car parking facilities. And let's now have a look at carpet area 2 BHK of 781 to 827 square feet and 3 BHK of 1071 to 1102 square feet. Let's now have a look at the floor plan. As you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan with each floor having 5 flats, 5 lifts and 2 staircases. Let's now have a look at the unit plans. As you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 827 square feet and this is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1102 square feet. And now talking about the maintenance part, the maintenance varies with configuration, with 2 BHK maintenance starting from 9,000 per month and 3 BHK maintenance starting from 12,000 per month. Also talking about the possession, the project has RERA possession date for December 2026, but the target possession is for June 2026. And to know about the pros and cons of the project, you can visit our website www.housing.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Shriji Skyrise by Shriji Sharan Group of Companies located in Kandivali.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housing.